Hi, my name is Dr. Shalini Kesar. I'm an associate professor at Southern Utah University. I teach in the Computer Science and Information Systems department in the College of Science and Engineering. We've been using TestOut for about 4 or 5 years, I think, especially for network classes. I've used it for Network Pro. So I use TestOut as for the labs to augment the classes, and so the students can get a hands-on experience because physically I can't bring all that equipment to the classroom. So the lab sim is fantastic for that. We also use it for cybersecurity. Well, actually, I'm using it. I'm trying to use it for cybersecurity. Just did a demo with the ethical hacking. I think that will be a great way to bring it in. But one of my passions is looking at this conference meeting that how few women there are in this field. That kind of bothers me personally and professionally. So we do a lot of projects on outreach for women in tech in Southern Utah region. I reach out to about 21 counties, which is only about 31 high schools, one county, one high school mostly. So, what I vision for Test Out is that we have outreach workshops where these girls get access to Test Out and they can kind of not be intimidated and be confident about certifications. So, it's kind of a great platform for them to see what the opportunities are. So, that's my vision as a faculty to kind of give them a vision also. And what Noel was talking about is giving them opportunities and the salaries, and they can work from home. So test out would be great for that.